Hi everyone, it's Alex, and I'm going to show you 3 ways to integrate Mote into Google Slides. So the first one, you can see that computer screen at the bottom. It's feeling a little bit empty. You can see that Mote has 2 different extension icons available to users. The traditional one in the Chrome extension, top right corner next to the puzzle piece, but it also has another recording tool built right into Google Slides. And for the purposes of today, I'm going to record a brief message and add it to the laptop below. Hit the check mark, and this is the feature that I got started with while using Mote, adding in these Mote player embeds to add context and more instructions to my slides. So once you're happy with your voice note, you're going to hit insert, and automatically your voice note is going to be added to this Google slide with a lovely purple sound icon. So I'm going to now bring this down and resize it, and I'm ready to go. Now this would be just if I wanted to add that Mote sound icon and have my students listen to it. But for the purpose of this blog post that corresponds with this video, I'm now going to replace that purple sound icon with a new image for my students. So all you have to do is right click on that sound icon, go to replace image, and now look at all of these 8 different options that you have available to you. Now the one that really interests me is this create image with Gemini, where you can now describe this. So for me, I was always in the habit of providing numbers to my students for what to click on in order so that they could actually have those instructions be sequential as well. So you can see that I've asked Gemini to create an icon that has an ear listening. And I'm going to use this one. And you can see that now that Mote icon has been replaced with this ear, and it still plays my audio message. So think about some different ways that you could use this integration in your own class. I like the idea of creating new icons to let your students know, hey, this is the order you're going to listen to these Mote messages, or provide them that additional interactivity by making these images appropriate for the concept you're teaching them. The next strategy I'm going to share includes the Mote extension recording tool. So let's say that I wanted to add a bit more context or the ability to translate text transcripts with my Mote recording. In this case, we're actually going to use Mote's hyperlinks to paste an audio message onto one of the images on the screen. So in addition to that ear that we did in the first tip, I now want my Bitmoji to be welcoming parents and students to this hub. So I'm going to record a brief Mote message using the extension in the top right corner. Once you hit the check mark, you can see that I have that prompt saying that my Mote was copied to the clipboard. All I have to do now is go back to my Google Slides deck, paste my link to whatever image I'd like. In this case, it's going to be my Bitmoji. And now notice what happens when you click on the Bitmoji. If I click there, you will now see a lovely Mote player that also has text transcription available. Better yet, for our multilingual learners, they now have the option to translate this text into a language of their choice and can even have it read aloud to them.
Hola estudiantes y bienvenidos al nuevo centro de recursos.
So this is one that's really going to boost accessibility and inclusivity for your multilingual learners in your class. All right, last but not least, I'm absolutely thrilled to share the newest Mote feature, which is the Generate from Text option, both within Google Slides and its normal extension. So I'm going to go to the Google Slides recorder, and I'm going to click Generate this time. Now this is one of Mote's newest features. You have the ability to type or paste text to generate your Mote audio message. So this would be great for an instance where you're in a loud room, or you don't have the voice that you would like to be able to record a message, or you don't want to make a mistake reading a more drawn out set of directions. So I have some that I'm just going to paste in, and you're simply going to click the Generate button, and you'll have the opportunity to preview this.
Hi, everyone. Please click on the ear icon to hear more about this hub.
So there you go. That's ready to go. I'm going to hit Insert. So there you have your purple Mote icon that we actually created with text, ready to go to share with your learners and their families to really boost that engagement within your Google Slides decks. I hope that you found each of these 3 tips helpful and ways that you can integrate Mote into your Google Slides. I'm challenging everybody with a call to action to incorporate at least one Mote message into your next Google Slides presentation. I'm wishing everyone a wonderful summer, and I'll talk to you all again soon.